SDEC implement standardized production. Stable, reliable, fuel efficient. To take user value as fundamental. In the year 1859, the clock in Westminster Palace sounded the first bell. It marks the modern industry to establish the concept of efficiency, measured in units of time. Meanwhile, Shanghai, as one of the earliest opening cities in China, has quietly bred the modern industrial civilization. In the year 1947, Shanghai Diesel Engine Factory was established. During the nearly 70 years of enterprise development, SDEC continues to provide valuable engines, agriculture, marine and generating set, construction machinery, transportation. SDEC enterprise idea of quality creates value through rigorous development, skilled operation, attentive service, delivers to the clients time and time again. We standardize the engine manufacturing process into 9 modules, 117 key elements. Each element has been carefully trained to ensure the high quality of engines. SDEC implements standardized production, widely applied RFID, radio frequency identification technology in production line, established a strong information of MES, manufacturing execution system. The manufacturing process can be accurately recorded and traced. Pre-shift meeting and quality morning meeting is daily held. Even though it only lasts 10 to 30 minutes, the philosophy of safety, quality, and creating customer value is constantly delivered to the most basic tissue cells. Our series products, developed and produced by SDEC, adopted common development model of introduction with the vehicle. In strict accordance with the requirements of passengers' car manufacturing quality, in less than 3 years, the social ownership exceeds 50,000 units. SDEC H-Series engine is currently the excellent representative, a 4 to 7 liter engine in the market, the latest platform, the most advanced technology. SDEC H-Series engine with strong power and fuel efficient meets China 4 to 5, equals to Euro 4 to 5 emission. H-Series products have expanded the application to agricultural machinery, construction machinery, generating set, marine, and other fields. E-Series engine is taking customer value as fundamental, adopted European advanced technology. By specific uses of various vehicles, we optimize the powertrain calibration, extremely fuel efficient, applied for road transportation, remarkable climbing ability, applied for dumper truck. So we convince that E-Series engine is the preferred power for heavy-duty trucks in the coming 5 to 10 years. SDC D-Series engine constantly improves the application ability in the market of vehicle, construction machinery, marine, and generating set. SDEC provides more choices to OEMs, creates more value for customers. As time goes by, SDEC as a loyal, reliable, and trusted enterprise. We have been thinking about how to adapt high-tech to continuously improve product quality. We have been trying to manufacture and develop products in environmental protection, low cost, and high efficiency, create the leading power solution of diesel engine and new energy. We have been excited to work together with many enterprises on continuous innovation and improvement. SDEC, quality creates value.